Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm gonna show that how to find your saved photos or posts or videos on your Facebook profile, which is really simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then simply come to your menu section by tapping these two lines, and just here you can see a saved option. Just simply tap on it like that. Here it will show all of your saved posts, photos, videos, and your collections. Now here I haven't just saved any of the post, photo, or whatever, so it haven't shown me something. Let's come and save a post or like that. Tap at these two dots and tap at save post, or like tap on it and tap at save post. And now like come again to menu section, tap accept. Here you can see it have this show that a specific post which you have saved right now. So like if you want to unsave it, just simply tap at these two dots and tap at unsave, which you can see on the very bottom. Just simply tap on it and tap at remove. So that's how you can easily save or unsave a specific Facebook post or see your specific saved Facebook post. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll be showing my next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video has been helped you, then make sure you like and subscribe this channel. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video.